Assalamualaikum, my name is Dayan Hafiza binti Awan Khalid from BMMM 1/2. We are from Group A and we will present about Nakajima 12 step in Introduction to TPM. I will present about introduction of company. Company that we choose is Toyota. Kichiro Toyoda found Toyota Motor Corporation on August 28, 1937. Toyota Motor Corporation is formed as a result of his decision to expand Toyota Loom Works into automobile manufacturing. Toyota Motor Corporation Limited (TMC) was found as a separate company from Toyota Automobile Loom Works, which is a world leader in the manufacture of weaving machinery. Toyota Automobile Loom Works is led by Sakichi Toyoda, known as the King of Investors. Toyota production system was improved in the late 1950s, resulting in the establishment of Toyota production system. For TPM literature study of Toyota is total productive maintenance is a team-based approach to increasing equipment effectiveness by focusing operation and maintenance teams on reducing loss operating system. In implementing the APM program at Toyota Production System, a guide step from Seiichi Nakajima book in 1969 helped Toyota Production System to the next level. It focused on the absolute elimination of waste to reduce manufacturing costs. The Book of Ideal Total Productive Maintenance 1969 by Seiichi Nakajima was published to systematically identify and eliminate equipment losses. So in this figure 1, this is the basic foundation of TPM program in Toyota.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Nakidarif. I'm from BMMM section 2. So I will continue with my part, which is methodology. So as we know that in Toyota company, they use eight of kind of principle, which is quality maintenance, autonomous maintenance, focus improvement, safety, health and environment, plant maintenance, equipment maintenance, employee involvement and empowerment, and lastly, which is TPM in supply chain. So for the quality maintenance, all the maintenance planning and strategizing in the world is or not in the quality of the maintenance being performed in inadequate. For the autonomous means like ensure the operators are fully trained on routine maintenance, for example like cleaning, regulating and inspecting, etc. So this can be shown that when an alternate strategy was developed by the Nippon So, involved assigning the machine technician who facilitate communication between operators and maintenance. And for the third point, which is the focus improvement, this is based on the Japanese term which known as Kaizen, mean improvement in manufacturing. Kaizen requires function and process continuity. This is a focus improvement look at the process as a whole and brainstorm the idea on how to improve it. So it's not just that all increase the efficiency by reducing the defect while enhancing the safety by analyzing the each individual action. For the fourth point is safety, health and environment. This is one of the important procedure environment that make the production to become more efficient. So for Toyota, usually they will ensure the workplace is clean and safe from any hazard to ensure that their workers can work in safe environment. For the fifth point, plant maintenance. Is involved on studying the metric like failure rate and historical downtime and the scheduling maintenance tasks based around this predicted or measure failure rate on downtime period. So Toyota create the pool production where the amount of work complete each step of process is fully determined by demand for materials from really next stage in order to lower costs and lead related with the inventory holding. As for the equipment maintenance, the Toyota operators are assigned primary responsibility for basic maintenance since they are in the best position to detect the sign of malfunction. And for the 7th point, which is employee involvement, so usually Toyota we organize their workers by forming a team and give them the responsibility and training to do many specialized tasks. Not just as that, each 4 team also be given a responsibility for housekeeping and minor equipment repair. And lastly, which is the TPM, is a supply chain. The Toyota production system can view its suppliers as a partner as essential component. The finance part are delivered by suppliers who take responsibility for reducing setup time, inventory, faults, machine, and etc. So yeah, that's it from me. Then I will pass to my next team members to continue their part. So that's all. Thank you.
There are 12 Nakajima steps in TPM. For step 1, announce the management decision to introduce TPM. In 1969, Mr. Seiichi Nakajima had made a decision with his teammate top management to introduce TPM. He also had done many research and study about total predictive maintenance to make sure the Toyota company make profit and get stable day by day. Step number 2, introductory education and campaign of TPM. Toyota company had selected some of the technician and engineer to attend the education campaign. This education campaign will help them to understand what is TPM and how TPM will help their company to get stabilized. TPM aims at restructuring the corporate culture through improvement of human resource and plant equipment. The aim of TPM introductory education for each working level of employees is to have all employees fully understand the purpose of TPM and to provide them with a TPM language to heighten their spirit towards TPM. TPM does not work well if it instantly executes upon the introduction decision of the top management. Step number 3 is create organizations to promote TPM. Top management or the engineers which had attained the education campaign had done some promotion via newspaper, advertisement, poster, and article to promote TPM within the Toyota company. To make sure all staff and employee know about it. Toyota spread TPM throughout its organization by involving all employees in equipment, maintenance, and improvement. The company encouraged all employees to participate active in the TPM process and provide training and education on TPM concept and tools. The company promotes the use of Kaizen activity to identify and eliminate waste in the manufacturing process. To manage and oversee the implementation of TPM, Toyota has a TPM office which is responsible for the implementation and management.
Salam sejahtera and good day to everyone. My name is Sadvin Analalaki Narendra Mohan Kumar and my metric number is B0920100354. And now we're going to see step 4 for establishing basic TPM policies and goals. Toyota company had set up their aim, policies and goals to establish TPM in their company. This is very basic policies as they are starting to establish as aim and goal is very important to make sure what Toyota company need to achieve via this TPM. One of the basic policies TPM of Toyota is to establish a system for recording maintenance and repair history for each piece of equipment in the inventory system. This system should include information about the maintenance and repair activities, the date and time of the activities, and any materials used in the maintenance and repair. Next is step 5, which is preparation and formulation of a master plan. Toyota Company had made a final preparation to start TPM in the company. They had also done formulation of a master plan, which is Toyota Production System (TPS). This had made the total productive system of the Toyota company to strong in their systems. Next is step 6, which is TPM kick-off. The main kick-off to TPM should take the form of a formal presentation with the employees attending. The top management publicly announce the implementation of TPM within the company Toyota. They also communicate the same to several stakeholders like clients, merchandisers, and several statutory and non-supervisory bodies. Thank you.
So for the step number 7 is the develop an equipment management program. So a system is used in organization equipment management program to monitor and maintain its asset. This can include items like machinery, tools, and other tangible assets such as cars, trucks, and the tool is made to assist the business in keeping track about use and upkeep of the equipment as well as in a making plan for upcoming purchases and replacement. For the step number 8, the develop a plan maintenance program. Now, which plan maintenance program is a schedule of routine check, upkeep, and fixes done on asset equipment to keep them in an excellent operating order. So the program was about to assist the reduce equipment breakdown and increase the asset lifespan. This program typically include a schedule or regular such as daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, depending on the equipment and its usage. As for the step number 9, which is the develop of autonomous maintenance program. So autonomous is a type of total productive maintenance, which is designed to improve the reliability and performance of equipment and the process. So in this type of method, preventive maintenance, which involve the operators of the equipment taking responsibility for the proactive maintenance of the equipment. This can include doing routine inspection and cleaning as well as performing the minor fixes and modification. And for the step number 10, it's the increased skill of production and maintenance personnel. So there is a 4 TPM development activity and 10 phase of the TPM development program is improving operational and maintaining capabilities. So it's more like training and education, which are investment in individual that have a various benefits when implementing TPM. A business needs spend money or employees that will help the staff members manage their equipment asset. Step number 11, which is a develop early equipment management program. This is the last category of TPM development activity is early equipment management. Even though the design, construction, and installation of the new equipment appear to have gone without a hitch, the problem usually arises during testing, running, commissioning, and startup. So most engineers and maintenance personnel might need to take a few changes before normal functioning can resume. Even then, it might be difficult to perform an initial lubrication, inspection, and repairs needed to halt breakage and deterioration. As a result, even a minor problem result in protracted in unneeded equipment downtime. And lastly, for the step number 12, which is the perfect TPM implementation and raise TPM level. Here, the final step in TPM development program is to perfect TPM implementation and set even higher goals for future. Everyone continues to try and enhance the TPM outcome throughout its stability, and it might be anticipated endure for a while. So that's it from me.
And now let's look at the conclusion. In a nutshell, Toyota Production System was one of the first systems to solve design and manufacturing issues. The mechanical development of automated devices is the most important part of the system. Toyota Company believes that machines cannot be created by themselves. That is why the human effort is important. Each element of the process of production is consistently improved until it achieves perfection. Toyota production system has always been one of the main reasons behind the success of the Toyota Motors. It also had helped the Toyota Company in many ways, such as effective relations with suppliers and well-structured, timely delivered to customers, and good quality of products. Even though many companies had tried to implement this system in their company, but they failed. The main reason of other companies' failure to understand and identify the Toyota production system has led Toyota Company to an added advantage. This also had made Toyota Company to become a successfully running company with profits and low risk loss until now and forever. Thank you.